You know I love a bubble up. How about this Thai chicken bubble up casserole? Let's do it. Grab a bowl. Start with a jar of Thai peanut sauce. Half a cup of chicken broth. Whisk that together. Some shredded cooked chicken, like rotisserie chicken. 3 cups. A bag of coleslaw. A diced red bell pepper. And 3 chopped green onions. Stir to combine so everything gets coated. I've got some buttermilk biscuits that I'm going to cut in there. Gently fold those into the mix. Pour in an even layer into a greased baking dish. I'll start by baking it at 375 for 20 minutes. I'm going to top with mozzarella cheese and cook it an additional 10 to 15 minutes. Wow, it looks good. Let it sit for 5 minutes. Thai chicken bubble up casserole. Yes, the sauce is really good. I love Thai peanut sauce. And just having that coleslaw in there, it's so fun. And the biscuits and the cheese, yes, please. It's a terrific bubble up casserole, and it's something that you can try too. I think I'd give it an 8.2 out of 10. If you're curious about other bubble up casseroles, you're gonna have to check out my special bubble up playlist. I put it in my description. Where does a triceratops sit? On its tricera bottom.